Hi, welcome back to another Caitlin's Kitchen House, and I'm here with my buddy Connor to do the Crazy Pizza Challenge. Here are the main ingredients. Our main ingredients are flatbread, pizza sauce, and mozzarella cheese. You can use any type of bread. It can be round or any shape. And you can add extra toppings like pepperoni or sausage. Today we're going to use some sausage for toppings. So now we have our tray, and you can put aluminum foil or you can just get a simple plate. So first we're going to open our flatbread. Ours fits 2. Next, we're going to add the sauce. So first, we're spreading out the sauce all over our pizza, and we're doing the Crazy Pizza Challenge so we can make faces on the pizza, and you can spread it all over or as little as you want. Next, we're going to sprinkle we have mozzarella cheese, but you can use any kind of cheese you want. Well, now we're going to sprinkle it and make a face or something. Now that we're done with putting our mozzarella cheese on, we're going to add some sausages. This is optional. You can also put pepperoni or others. So we're gonna put the thing in the oven, and we're gonna put 350 degrees, and we're going to put this in the oven, which we already preheated the oven. So now we put it in the oven, and so our pizza is done. Now we took it out of the oven, and we're going to cut it now. Hey, stop cutting in mine. Stop it. Now it's time to eat. Delicious. Delicious. Please push that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Caitlin's Kitchen House. And check out our other videos and click the bell, so you're notified of our videos that we're posting. Bye. Bye.